The BlueFletch EMS Support Agent is a tool that helps your end users view helpful data on devices that are secured in kiosk mode. This data can be used to help reduce call times when troubleshooting issues with your help desk. This video is a quick walkthrough of the features and functionality of the tool. To begin our walkthrough of the Support Agent, we can take a quick look at the dashboard functionality. The dashboard surfaces some of the more commonly used data for the 5 subclasses of the Support Agent, including information about network, software, battery, system, and critical events. We will first take a look at the network section. There are 4 tabs with information, network details, events, speed test, and signal test. Network details shows a summary of network info, including current wireless network, IP info, and DNS. The Events tab shows relevant network events such as SSID changes, AP roaming, or disconnected events. The Speed Test tab allows you to run a speed test or see previously run speed test information. Lastly, the Signal Test tab shows you information about networks in range and their respective signal strengths. The next section of the Support Agent we will review is the Software tab. This tab will allow you to easily see what versions of software packages are installed on your device to help you verify that a device with an issue has the correct versions installed. By default, you can see a full list of apps that you have installed on the device, but you can also see information about system apps. Next, we will review the Battery section. This tab can be helpful for troubleshooting battery issues. You can see a summary of battery performance, including average life, health, and hours remaining. You can also see information about power events, such as charging or battery swaps. Now we will go into the System Summary section. This tab shows you a snapshot of device resources such as memory, SD storage, and persistent memory storage. Next, we will look at the Events section. From here, you can view critical device events such as reboots, application installs, or device crashes. All of the data from the Support Agent can be fed up to a reporting portal for your Helpdesk team to look at. Lastly, we will take a look at the Helpdesk tab of the Support Agent. This area can be configured to tie directly into ticketing tools such as ServiceNow. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions on how you can leverage the Support Agent, reach out to us at info@bluefletch.com.